Hey there, dog lovers! Have you ever wondered what the world looks like through your pup's eyes? That bright red ball you just threw, does it look the same to them as it does to you? Or is your furry friend living in a world that's, well, a little less colorful? Spoiler alert, it's the second one. Stick around, because today we're diving into the pawsome science behind how dogs see color. And trust me, it's a tail-wagging good time. First, let's talk about how vision works. Humans are like the ultimate color detectives. We have these special cells in our eyes called cones that detect red, green, and blue light. That's how we see millions of colors. But dogs? Well, they're more like color detectives, on a budget. They only have two types of cones, which means they're what scientists call dichromatic. Fancy word, right? Basically, their cones are most sensitive to blue and yellow light, but red and green, not so much. So, that red ball you threw earlier? To your dog, it probably looks more like a dull brown or gray. Pretty wild, isn't it? Now, before you start feeling bad for your pup, let's break this down. Imagine you're at a party and everyone's wearing neon colors. You're seeing the full rainbow. But your dog? They're basically at a blacklight party. Blue and yellow are popping, but red and green are just meh. Still fun, just different. But how do we know this? Well, scientists have done some pretty cool experiments to figure it out. They trained dogs to associate food with specific colors and watched how they responded. The results? Dogs were like, red? Green? Nah, I'll take the blue one, thanks. This confirmed that dogs see the world in a more limited color palette than we do. But hey, at least they're not colorblind, just color challenged. So, what does the world actually look like to your dog? Imagine a world where blues and yellows pop, but reds and greens blend into muted tones. It's not black and white, but it's definitely not as colorful as what we see. And here's something fascinating. This actually makes a lot of sense from an evolutionary perspective. Dogs evolved from wolves, who needed to be expert hunters. For them, detecting motion and seeing in low light was far more important than distinguishing colors. So, while their color vision might seem limited to us, it's perfectly suited to their needs. Think of it like this. Your dog might not see the rainbow, but they can spot a squirrel from a mile away. Priorities, right? Now, here's something you can use in your everyday life. If you want to make playtime more exciting for your dog, try using blue or yellow toys. These colors will stand out more in their vision, making the game even more fun for them. And hey, if you're feeling fancy, you can even match your dog's toys to their collar. Fashion and function. Win-win. At the end of the day, even though dogs don't see the world in the same vibrant colors we do, they still experience it in their own unique way. And let's be honest, whether they're chasing a red ball or a blue one, their joy is just as real. Dogs remind us that it's not about how colorful the world is. It's about how much love and happiness we bring into it. So, the next time you play fetch with your pup, remember, they might not see the world in full color, but they definitely see it with full love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fascinating facts about your furry friends. And let us know in the comments. What color is your dog's favorite toy? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.